Welcome to Get Started with Picklists. In this unit, we'll unravel the art of picklists in Salesforce. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions on when and how to use picklists effectively. Let's delve into the world of picklists and explore their anatomy, types, and properties. By the time we're done, you'll be creating custom picklists like a pro. Imagine walking into a bakery. You don't want to guess what cookies they have. You want to know your options. That's where picklists come into play in Salesforce. A picklist has two essential parts. The field defines the type of picklist, while the value set outlines the choices users see. For now, let's focus on the field itself. We'll explore values in the next unit. There are three types of picklists: standard, custom, and custom multi-select. Each serves a specific purpose. But first, let's understand some picklist properties. Standard picklists come preloaded in your Salesforce org, like the lead source picklist on the lead object. They're great for common fields on standard objects. If you need more flexibility and want to create your own picklist, go for a custom picklist. You can configure its behavior and add values to meet your specific needs. Consider a multi-select picklist if you want users to choose more than one value at a time. It's perfect for scenarios where multiple selections make sense. Now let's talk about picklist properties. Restricted picklists prevent users from adding new values, maintaining data consistency. And dependent picklists guide users and save UI space by filtering values based on another picklist selection. Keep in mind, with great picklist power comes great responsibility. Admins can add and edit values in restricted picklists, but users are restricted from introducing new values. Fantastic! You've just embarked on your journey with picklists. In our next unit, we'll explore the creation of custom picklists and delve into managing their values. Navigate to the Object Manager by clicking on the Setup button. Click on the Object Manager. In the Quick Find, type Lead and select the lead object. Click on Fields and Relationship. Then create a new field by clicking on the New button. Choose the data type as a picklist. Specify the field label. For my purpose, I am using region. For values, click on Use Global Picklist Set and choose the picklist region. Optionally, add a description and provide help text. Proceed by clicking on Next. Set the necessary permissions. In my case, I am granting read access for contact, read, and create. Move to the next step. Optionally, include the field in all layouts. I am selecting that option as well. Click on Save. In Setup, click the Object Manager tab and select the object containing the picklist field. Click Fields and Relationships. Click New. Select Picklist. And then click Next. Enter a field label. Click on Values. Put your desired values in the Enter Values section with each value separated by a new line. In the lower part, there is an option to restrict the picklist to the values defined in the value set. Make sure it is checked. Now click on Next. Give field level security. Click Next. Add to the page layouts you want, and then click Save. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.